Hi there, happy Sunday to all of you. And I know some of you probably are resting right now, or if not, kakauwi nyo lang galing sa labas kasama ng inyong pamilya. Sa gabing ito, I just like to share with you the relationship of Aldab phenomenon to marriage. Hindi natin mapagkakaila na this phenomenon is taking actually not the Philippines by storm but worldwide, no, yung mga lalo natin mga kababayan natin, mga OFW na nasa ibang bansa, they're also looking at what's happening. Bakit ba nagkaroon ng over 25 million tweets in 24 hours? Not only the locals but even the international artists are asking about it. It's phenomenon also in terms of I came from the entertainment industry and never did we experience a 43% rating for any show, no, unprecedented yan in the entire history of advertising and TV. Walang pwedeng maipagkakaila na patok talaga itong Aldab or Kalye serie ng Itbulaga. Ang question ko, isa ka ba sa masugid na taga-subaybay ng Aldab? Isa ka bang fan? Natutuwa ka ba at nakaka-relate ka sa kanila? Whether you like it or not, my kids, especially my daughter, yung youngest, she doesn't really understand much Tagalog, pero natutuwa rin siya with regard to that. And while we're watching, we also take the opportunity to use it to teach our kids values, no, in terms of why are they doing this, bakit nagmamano, bakit inanghaharana. Okay, and the question is right now, as married couples, me and my wife, how can we tie it up to marriage naman? Maaari may mga ilan na hindi nakakaunawa na kung ayun nga, yung ano daw, sayang lang daw oras ang pamanood ng Kalye serye. Well, I just need to honor and respect whatever other people will feel. Maari, mabababaw nga, ika nga yung pagpapatawa nila, pero depende naman sa pananaw ng isang tao. Pero hanggat pwedeng may matutunan tayo sa ika nga, sa isang pinapanood po natin, katulad ng isang pelikula, hindi lang dapat tayong ma-entertain, dapat may aral tayong napupulot. Mas kailangan po kasi natin yung mga palabas na positive, no, na may lessons, kahit na let's say hindi siya ganun kalalim, pero may natutunan ka naman kaysa malalim naman yung palabas, pero ika nga wala namang magandang values. So ano ba yung talaga yung positive lessons na matututunan natin po ngayon? Number one, for marriage, I believe, no, the reason why it's a hit because of sensibility. Being aware of the feelings of others is very important in marriage. Yung ika nga, kailangan maging sensitive ka, no, sa feelings ng asawa mo. Katulad ng, 'di ba, yung parang yung tinginan ba ni Yaya Dab at saka ni Alden, yung parang they're very sensitive, kindatan lang kahit di pa sila talaga nag-uusap at nagkakaunawaan sila. Especially when it comes to relationship, no, hindi uso dapat yung selfishness pag ikaw ay may asawa o tinatawag na pamilya. Hindi pwede kung ano yung gusto mo, yan na masusunod. And if you also look at the relationship with in Alden at the same time Yaya Dab, it's all about sacrifices. It's all about giving of yourself, diba? Kung ano sinabi ni Lola ni Dora, yun ang sinusunod ng dalawa, giving of themselves. Makikita natin kay Alden talaga na isang lalaki na he's very sensible. He considers not only what he wants from Yaya Dab, but he's also very particular kung ano yung gusto ni Lola ni Dora, yung mga kapatid ni Lola ni Dora. Hindi niya pinapairal yung kanyang selfishness when it comes to panliligaw. Kahit na atat siya na makita niya si Yaya Dab, but still, yun nga, hindi niya binabaliwala, okay, ang mga kasama ni Yaya Dab, and that is Lola ni Dora. Second thing that I also consider na pwede natin gamitin in terms of marriage relationship is the word called spontaneity. No, ito parang hindi ba pinano. Routine in everything that we do is great, but spontaneity is very important. No, especially hindi pwede natin nakaroutine na ng parati. At kung mapapansin nyo, what really makes this Kalye serie a hit, no? If I know Tito Vic and Joy because I've worked with them personally, and if I also see how Wally and Jose carrying the show, alam mo, reality, walang script yan eh. Binibigyan lang sila ng scenario. Just like, I can still remember one of the great directors, Mike Relon Makiling, who has also directed Tito Vic and Joey. Majority of the time, when they give us, like for example, a scenario, they don't give us a script. Binibigyan lang namin scenario, tapos we create the script. Kung ano yung dumating, yun ang iniisip natin. Likewise, no, Yun din na nakikita ko na because of the spontaneity, it makes it a great hit. So that's the reason why in a husband and wife relationship, hindi pwedeng nakakahon siya. Dapat may spontaneity to keep the fire alive. And another probably reason na kailangan natin sa marriage at nakikita rin natin sa kaliser, yung tinatawag na sincerity. Yun, talagang makikita mong sincere na sincere. Just like what isang observation, 'di ba, nung dumalaw I think si Yaya Dab sa Broadway Centrum, yung alam natin play lang sila, they're a love team, pero sinasabi nga ni nung isang host mukhang tinutotoo na ng dalawa. No, very sincere. If you're sincere with your relationship, also with your spouse, no, everything just comes naturally. If it comes from the heart, dumarating ng kusa yan Try this when you're in marriage. If your marriage is not doing well, no, chances are yung sincerity minsan ay nawawala. Minsan nga kahit walang positive feedback nga, 'di ba, in terms of yung sa relationship. Pero kung makikita mo yung yung sincerity, no, sa bawat isa na talagang sincere na ayusin ang relationship, sincere na talaga magsilbi, alam mo, gaganda talaga ang relationship And that is what we also see in the kaliser of Alden and Yaya Dab. They're sincere towards one another, pero mas ito lang mas nakakatuwa habang pinapanood natin talaga itong kaliserye na ito, alam nyo, mas sincere actually yung mga audience na walang kamalay-malay, na minsan makikita mo yung mga audience reaction nila, they're really true and they're very raw, yung parang in and involved na involved. So in reality, no, kung matitignan natin lahat, how does it again tie up with a marriage life? Number one, again, because it's very sensible. Number two, because of the spontaneity. And number three, because of the sincerity, which makes it very, very raw. And I do believe it should be also present in any marriage. Kung yan ay present sa any marriage, alam mo, kilig factor ay hindi mawawala. Totoo na magkakaroon pa rin ng forever. May forever pa ba? Definitely. In conclusion, okay, Aldab's kaliserye may be mababaw, but let us take a closer look. And you will see that it can teach us really good positive lessons that we can also relate and apply in our marriage. So, let me ask you this question. If you are married right now, kung natutuwa kayo sa kaliserye, sana ma-apply naman natin sa marriage natin. Number one, as tanongin natin sa ating sarili, is our marriage right now sensible? Second, is our marriage spontaneous? Okay? And third, is our marriage sincere? Sincere ba kayo sa bawat isa? So, ladies and gentlemen, I encourage you, no, if ever you're single right now, learn from this. And if you're ever married, I pray that you would really improve your marriage. Mag-improve talaga tayo. Let's make an effort. So, to know how you can improve on your marriage, me and my wife, we wrote a book called Happy Wife, Happy Life. Kung mapapansin nyo, sa picture later, kung puntahan nyo Facebook, even Alden Richard had our own book. I signed a personal copy of the book and he holds my book, yung called Happy Wife, Happy Life. Marami kayong matutunan ng mga lessons, no, in terms of marriage. Well, actually, we talked about the top 3 reasons, no, why marriages fail: lack of communication, the lack of intimacy, and the lack of money. Marami kayong matutunan doon, at kung gusto nyo pang matutunan at ma-share, lalo na sa mga sumusubaybay sa kaliserye, ultimately, the kilig factor must be there, but the marriage and the relationship must improve. If you want to know more, you can just order the book at happywifehappylife.club. That's happywifehappylife.club. And we, as a matter of fact, we can deliver it to you for free. And I have a special offer to all the Abdal Nation and all the people who are followers of this. Nakakatuwa. So my book actually costs 400 pesos each, no, at National Bookstore. But I have a special offer to all of you, especially if you want to give this a gift to any one of your loved ones, especially this coming Christmas season. I have a buy 5 get 5 promo. You buy 5 books and you get another 5 books for free. So once you buy buy 5, you get 5 books for free. So you pay 2,000, you get 10 books. So lumalabas only 200 pesos per book. So if you want to order, just go to happywifehappylife.club. This is Chinkitan saying, again, thank you very much to all the people who just tuned in, yung nagpaparamdam. Let me name a few. Sila Mayan, sila Amelia, sila De Leon, sila Bel, sila Ramil, Criselda, Genevieve, Bel, Ramil, Tinaw. Thank you very much. Kisnet, si Amelia, Melinda, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much, and I hope that you can read the book happywifehappylife.club in order to improve our relationship. This is Chinkitan saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always, think positive. Sabay pa, bebe.